This concludes the introduction to Revit, which is really a basic overview of how to use the walls and how to do some basic dimensioning. In the next tutorials, we are going to apply this knowledge in designing buildings. The next thing I want to show you before you leave is how to resolve some very common troubleshooting issues which a lot of people seem to have when they're starting to learn Revit. If you happen to find yourself in a scenario like this where you've lost your project browser and you've lost your properties panel and your ribbon has gone funny, I'll show you how to get that back. To get your ribbon back, just click on this button over here a few times and your ribbon will come back. To get your properties panel back and your project browser, drop-down menu, user interface, properties, and project browser, and that will all come back.